tips to help you lose weight. Grab a pen and paper and get ready to take some notes. It's time to take control of your weight and your health. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but it can also be a rewarding one. You can significantly improve your chances of success by making a few simple changes to your daily habits. Don't skip meals. To effectively lose weight, it is essential to understand the fundamental workings of our bodies and how they relate to food. Skipping meals is a common mistake made by many people who are trying to lose weight. Although it may seem counterintuitive, it is recommended to eat every 4 hours and engage in healthy eating habits. This approach recognizes your body's natural hunger cues and ensures that it is receiving the energy it needs to function properly. By avoiding the trap of skipping meals, you are taking a proactive step towards achieving your weight loss goals and creating a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Give your breakfast a protein boost. When it comes to losing weight, starting your day with a protein-packed breakfast can make a huge impact. Incorporating 15 to 25 grams of protein in your morning meal can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Protein is slowly digested and can regulate hunger hormones, thereby keeping you feeling satisfied for longer periods of time. To maximize the benefits, it's important to combine your protein sources with fiber and healthy fats. For example, try eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado, or high-protein waffles with a sprinkle of nuts, a handful of berries, and a touch of maple syrup. Experience the difference at the right Spinal clinic, now with semaglutide. Start your path to a happier and healthier you. Schedule your first weight loss appointment with us. We carefully tailor the ideal treatment plan suitable to your needs. Call us today at 813-392-2164 or visit www.trspinalclinic.com. We also accept walk-ins with no waiting time.